How to reset WhatsApp two-step verification without email. If any day any of you are a WhatsApp user and you would like to reset your WhatsApp verification without the use of email but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you proceed to the Google Chrome on your mobile device, in the search section of your Google Chrome, you have to search WhatsApp support. Now, after you tap on WhatsApp support, you can see an interface like this. Now, here you have to go to the option of Contact WhatsApp and then tap on that. When you tap on Contact WhatsApp, you can see an interface like this. Now, here at first, you have to tap on your phone number. In the section of email address, you have to write down your email address. In the confirm email address, you have to confirm your email address out there. And here is the option of how do you use the WhatsApp here. You have to tap on the very button on how do you use the WhatsApp. It may be Android version, iPhone version, Wave version, or desktop version, Kai's version, and other. You can just tap on the version that you are using, and in the enter the message option, you have to enter the very message or the problem that you are facing, and then you have to go to the next step, and next step you have to submit it to the very developer of the WhatsApp, and after WhatsApp receives it within 24 hours, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.